Okay.
Remember,
I guess we're in the frame.
So she said hold the bottom, open
one
this, hold this, and do it like this, and then press from here.
Okay. So open this. Alright.
Oh no,
Open
here
this.
we go, people. I mean, yeah, but just hold it.
Just keep holding it.
Yeah, hold the top because it'll fly.
And just hold it. Just keep it like this. Our heart is beating.
One.
Alright.
Two.
Ready? Yeah, shoot.
We'll take a picture with this.
Yeah.
I got it right. I have it here.
I can't believe it's a boy, you know.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. What?
Let it go.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Last
yes.
में call करते हैं.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
We've actually got something, you know, see?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, all blue?
Because she's the only one who knew.
I also knew.
Yeah,
Oh my
right.
god, look at so many clothes already.
Oh, I love this.
No, I didn't. I knew it's a boy. That's why I put a boy in front.
And back is good in the back. Blanky. I cannot believe it's a boy, you know? Oh my god. I really wanted a girl, but it's okay.
So you can play soccer now, basketball.
Whoa.
I know.
Hey, if you're a girl, you can still play soccer
You can.
and basketball.
I agree. I agree. I agree. I mean,
Oh my god, look at that. Oh, I think she got him when he grew up for that.
Way too far ahead. And then there's this.
But as soon as I like, it's too big for the baby.
Alright, well,
Alright, thank you so much.
she got the shoes.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you. We are playing the game, and the game is called Oh Baby, Guess Who?
Yeah,
So,
and Jesse's and the neighbor.
Let me show you.
So, Jesse, you're not opening which one's older. You're not opening?
That's a picture of everyone who's here as a baby, and everybody has to take turn and guess who's who.
somebody's extra.
Good test. Yeah, you got.
I don't know, but there's everybody who's over here is over there.
Starts with Z.
No, there's one extra.
News. Can you tell? Are you on there?
I don't
You know
know.
what you look like?
The winner is.
Alicia? Wow, really?
Nikki Giddy?
I didn't know you were on here twice. I looked at 13. You know what? You should go from the start. Who is who?
Did Alicia get everybody right?
This is your brother.
Oh.
Here.
Here.
All right. Who wants to go from the start? Who is who?
Oh no, he's super close. Oh, you, come on.
Hey! Hey!
Okay, fine. Calm down. Just save like it.
What's for you?
You can go in the corridor. Oh, there we go. Awesome.
3. Alright, I'm going 5. 4. And 5. Hold on. Yes. Go. Oh my goodness.
Directly straight the test?
Yep, I promise. You're gonna be as straight than this.
Go.
Where?
No.
Yep, you're getting the right. Oh, that's close.
Whoa! I think we don't have to just. Oh! Bullseye.
Everybody's done?
Yep, one is done. I guess we have a clear winner.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nikki. Give it to her.
Alright, this is for Nikki for winning the pacifier.